Have you ever wondered how to build a profitable Forex trading strategy from scratch? The journey begins with thorough research. This pivotal first step involves delving into an array of trading strategies and techniques. It's like assembling a toolbox, where each tool represents a different strategy, each offering unique advantages and challenges. You'll want to consider various factors such as timeframes, indicators, and risk management principles. Think of it as tailoring a suit. You wouldn't wear a one-size-fits-all suit to an important event, would you? Similarly, your trading strategy should be custom-fit to your goals and risk tolerance. This tailored approach ensures that you're not just following the crowd, but carving a path that aligns with your unique trading style. Research is your compass in the vast ocean of Forex trading. It helps navigate the waters, enabling you to dodge potential pitfalls and seize opportunities. Remember, understanding the strengths and weaknesses of each strategy is the key to making an informed decision. Now that you have a strategy in mind, it's time to delve into the world of Forex analysis. This is where the magic happens. The market is a vast landscape of numbers and charts, and your job is to find the patterns in the chaos. This is where technical analysis comes in. Technical analysis is your flashlight in the dark, revealing trends, support and resistance levels, and potential entry and exit points. It's like being a detective, piecing together clues to form a bigger picture. And the beauty of it, it's all in the numbers. You're not guessing or predicting. You're using cold, hard data to make informed decisions. This is not about luck, it's about skill, it's about knowledge, it's about strategy. And with a keen eye for detail, you'll be able to spot potential opportunities that align with your chosen strategy. Before taking a leap of faith, it's crucial to backtest your strategy using historical price data. Now, what does backtesting involve? It's like a dress rehearsal for your strategy. You take your strategy for a spin, using past market data, to see how it would have performed. This is a key step in evaluating the performance of your strategy across different market conditions. Just as a ship is tested in all sorts of weather before its maiden voyage, your strategy needs to prove its mettle in a variety of market scenarios. This rigorous testing helps identify the strengths and weaknesses of your strategy. It's like a mirror showing you what works and what doesn't. And armed with this knowledge, you can make the necessary adjustments. Think of backtesting as your safety net, catching any potential pitfalls before you risk real money. By backtesting, you're ensuring your strategy is not just a shot in the dark, but a calculated move. Confident with your backtesting results? It's time to put your strategy to the test with paper trading. Think of this as the dress rehearsal before the grand opening of your trading journey. Paper trading is your opportunity to practice executing your strategy in a simulated trading environment, without risking a single penny of your hard-earned money. You'll get to experience the ebbs and flows of the Forex market, making trades based on your strategy, all while observing how it performs. It's also a chance to refine your approach, making tweaks and adjustments as needed, based on your performance. Remember, this isn't just about making successful trades, it's about gaining confidence in your strategy, and in yourself as a trader. So take your time, there's no rush. Through paper trading, you're taking a final rehearsal before the real show begins,